Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can create emissive lighting in Unreal Engine to materials or to imported assets into your game, and you can also make them really glow using the bloom process volume. If this sounds something like you want, follow step by step to create your own emissive materials. First off, let's create a material. Right click, material, and let's give it the name emissive materials, and let's double click on this one. Right now we see the shader panel, and we are going to emit emissive color with two nodes here and connect them through a multiplier. So right click, and then we're going to need a constant, and we are going to right click and convert this to a parameter. I'm going to name this emissive and drag it right here. Then once again I'm going to need a constant, but a constant 3 vector. This is for our color, so right click, convert to parameter and name it color. Right click again for the multiplier. Then drag this node into A, this node into B, and then we're going to plug this one into the emissive color. So that's it for now. We're going to apply this change. Now back into our viewport, we have our emissive material ready here. Now right click, create material instance. And I'm going to call this emissive blue. And now I double click on this one. So now here I have my parameter. I'm going to enable the color, and I click here to change color. Let's say I want a blue one. I also need to change this one up, so I can see the new color right here. Hit OK. And I'm going to add the emissive one here and drag this value up. And you can already see this glowing. Let's say we want a value of, let's say 30, and it's glowing. So you can save it again and go back to the viewport here. And right now I can drag this material onto the cube right here. And this one will go blue right now. And right now we can see that my blue emissive color right here is applied to these materials. So now the cool thing is, because we already have this material right here, we can do it again with another color. So right click again, create material instance, and let's call this one emissive red. Double click on this one, and I can set these values up again. Let's choose the red one right here. Hit OK. And let's make this emissive of 20. Maybe that's a bit too much. Let's say 15. And if you're happy with it, you click save. And once again, we can drag this emissive red one onto our objects right here. And we have this emissive. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this for the material on an asset as well. So I have this sci-fi rifle gun, and the red here in the gun, I want this to glow. And I call this LED strips. These come right off Blender. So if I click this one, I already have some information about this one. So right now I'm going to add a constant. Right click, constant. I give this a value of, let's say 5. Or maybe let's go a bit bold. Let's increase this one. Add a multiplier right here. Multiply. Now this one will turn red pretty soon because it's rendering right here. Now I'm going to drag this one in A, this constant in B, and I can plug this one in the emissive color. Alt click to disable this one. And right now this red light strip should be applied to my material on my rifle, so the rifle should glow as well. And now I can see that it actually worked. This one is glowing a bit more. Now if I go to the play mode, I can just walk around in my glowing emissive world. I can check out my asset, because as always is also glowing. You can see it on my suit here as well, that it's glowing. So this worked. Now there's another neat trick that you can use. You can add the process value. Here's the process volume. And you can go into Bloom. And right now, Bloom here is enabled in the post-process box around my level. Now, if you don't have this one already, you can just look up here for post-process volume and drag it right into your level. I already have it. And you can add the intensity and just increase the intensity of the glow here. So right now, this is set in the process volume. And when I walk around to my level right now, it's really glowing. Now, of course, this is a bit too much, but I just want to show off the possibilities of this one here on my asset as well. So I hope this tutorial works for you as well. Right now you know how to make emissive materials from material here or onto an asset. Please like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell symbol. That way you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to have a great day. See you next time.